Welcome to Seki Diary, the best YouTube channel for fans of heavy machinery and construction vehicles. Here, we delve deeply into the world of construction equipment and agricultural machines, examining their might, mechanics, and marvels. Our channel is a treasure trove for anyone interested in the titans of construction and farming, where hard work and horsepower collide. Stay tuned as we reveal the features, capabilities, and engineering marvels of these mechanical beasts. The Bagger 288 is the first machine in our portfolio. It is a massive bucket wheel excavator that is regarded as a real titan in the mining industry. Its enormous bulk and incredible digging ability earn it a spot on our list. Built by the German firm Cup, measuring 220 meters in length and weighing over 13,500 tons, it is the longest terrestrial vehicle ever built. Built specifically for open-pit mining, its enormous bucket wheel mechanism makes it capable of extracting large amounts of heavy material, making it an invaluable tool for large-scale mining operations. Now let's talk about dump trucks. These enormous vehicles, which range in size from the Bella's 75,710 to the Caterpillar 797F, redefine hauling capability and are essential to mining operations. Built by the Belarusian firm Bella's, the massive Bella's 75,710 dump truck redefines norms for carrying capacity in the mining sector. This enormous truck can carry an incredible 450 metric tons of cargo. Its unique suspension system and two-axle design guarantee efficiency and stability, even while towing heavy loads across difficult terrain. The Bella's 75,710 is an essential component of mining logistics, greatly enhancing the flow of extracted resources. The 797F mining truck is a product of Caterpillar, a leading manufacturer of heavy machinery worldwide, and it is designed to be both robust and efficient. The 797F is designed for optimum productivity in mining and quarry industries, with a payload capacity of up to 400 tons. Cutting-edge technical elements including the AC powertrain and Cat C175/16 engine improve overall operating effectiveness and fuel economy. Large-scale mining companies rely heavily on this vehicle to ensure the efficient transportation of minerals from excavation sites to processing locations. The 980 E4 dump truck from Catu is a technical wonder designed to provide the best haulage possible for mining operations. This truck is a workhorse when it comes to moving materials from extraction stations to processing facilities because of its 400-ton payload capacity. The 980 E4 is equipped with cutting-edge technology, such as the exclusive Autonomous Haulage System, AHS, developed by Catu, which increases mining operations efficiency and safety. Its large size and unique characteristics position it as a major participant in the dump truck industry. The massive Hitachi A5000 AC3 dump truck is designed to move materials in mining operations with efficiency. This truck is capable of handling the severe requirements of large-scale mining projects with a payload capacity of up to 296 tons. Hitachi's cutting-edge AC electric drive technology, which is included in the EH5000 AC3, improves control and efficiency when moving cargo. It is a trustworthy and effective option for material transportation in demanding mining situations because of its sturdy construction and creative design. In the mining industry, the Hitachi EX5600-7, Liebherr R996B, and Komatsu PC8000-6 are unquestionably the titans, able to move mountains with ease. Large in the realm of excavation, the Komatsu PC8000-6 mining excavator is designed for optimal productivity in large-scale mining operations. Massive volumes of material are moved with efficiency by this excavator, which has a bucket capacity of up to 42 cubic meters. By combining cutting-edge technologies, such as Komatsu's hybrid energy saving system, the PC8000-6 improves overall operational performance and fuel economy. It is a force in open-pit mining, facilitating the extraction of resources, thanks to its remarkable digging powers and cutting-edge characteristics. Next, a technical wonder that combines strength and accuracy for effective material extraction in large-scale mining operations is the Liebherr R996B mining excavator. With a 42 cubic meter bucket capacity, this excavator can handle a variety of mining situations. Liebherr's cutting-edge Elron Plus technology, which offers precise control and improved energy economy, is integrated into the R996B. Because of its versatility and adaptability, it is a dependable option for extracting a range of commodities in open-pit mining, guaranteeing maximum output. A technical marvel built for heavy-duty excavation in large-scale mining and quarrying applications is the Hitachi X5600-7 hydraulic excavator. With its sophisticated hydraulic systems and robust engine, this excavator can tackle even the most demanding excavating jobs, even though it weighs more than 500 tons. The EX5600-7 holds great relevance in open-pit mining operations because to its revolutionary characteristics, such as its upgraded hydraulics and EX7 series engine, which guarantee excellent productivity and efficiency in material extraction. Lowering our gaze, the following set of machines assumes a central role as the unsung heroes of deep mining. These devices, which range from drill rigs to loaders, are essential for effectively and safely gaining access to priceless resources. The sturdy and portable Joy Global 22 HD underground mining loader is built to withstand the demanding conditions found in underground mines. With agility and economy as its top priorities, this loader meets the particular requirements of underground mining operations with skill. Its articulated design makes it possible to maneuver precisely in confined locations, and its strong loading capacity guarantees the smooth extraction of materials and ore from below the surface of the ground. Let's move on to the Sandvik DT1131i Jumbo Drill Rig, which is an example of underground mining technology at its most advanced. This rig, designed for tunneling and drilling operations, combines strength and accuracy to forge routes for mining activities. The DT1131i improves drilling efficiency and accuracy with its sophisticated control systems and automated drilling features. For the building of shafts and tunnels in underground mining operations, its sturdy design and versatility to different rock types make it a vital instrument.